Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix message problems on your Google Pixel. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. The first solution involves checking your network settings. Start by tapping the gear icon to open up your settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on Network and Internet. This section controls all your connectivity options and is often where messaging issues originate. Next, tap on SIMs to access your SIM card settings. Here you'll see your active SIM card listed. Go ahead and tap on the SIM you're currently using. This will open up detailed options for that specific SIM card. Now tap on Preferred Network Type. You'll see a list of different network options available. Choose the recommended option, which is typically 5G if your carrier and area support it. This ensures your device is connecting to the strongest available network, which can resolve messaging delays or failures caused by weak connectivity. Moving on to the second solution, go back to the main settings page. From here, tap on Apps to access your application manager. This is where you can control individual app settings and clear problematic data. Next, tap on See All Apps to view your complete list of installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find Messages and tap on it. This opens the app info page where you can see storage usage and other details. Now tap on Storage and Cache. This section shows how much data the messaging app has accumulated over time. First, tap Clear Cache. Cache files can sometimes become corrupted and cause the app to malfunction. After that, tap Clear Storage as well. This removes all temporary data and resets the app to its default state, which often resolves persistent messaging issues. Keep in mind this won't delete your actual messages, just the app's temporary files. For the final solution, we're going to reset your network connection. Swipe downwards from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings panel, look for the airplane mode icon and tap it to turn it on. This disconnects all wireless connections including cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds to let the system fully disconnect, then tap the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. This simple action restarts your signal and network connection, which can fix temporary glitches preventing messages from sending or receiving properly. And that's it. You've now tried 3 effective solutions to fix messaging problems on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.